All right, this is BJ down at Soundsource in Macon, Georgia. Today I'm going to be installing this center console in this Silverado. It's 1986 model C10, and I had to do some mocking up on it just to make sure it fits and remove this seat. It will house the 10 right here. 2 cup holders, Pioneer double din, 2 PRV Neos, and a super tweeter for the super tweeter as well. I did, like I said, I had to remove the seat. Nice seats, by the way. And sits in there pretty good. I think the customer will be happy. Let's get a quick rundown of the actual product I'll be using today. Soundsource is an authorized sundown dealer. We sell pretty much every model they make, from the Neos, the Teams, any of the sundown products you need. We sell them. This is actually an SA. It works in fairly low airspace. It is a versatile woofer. It will work in a sealed or ported box. So I am going to put a little power on it. Today I'm going to be running the VFLs. This one, the 200.4, is actually going to be on the mids and highs. And the 4800 1.1D, it is going to be on my just that one sub. It's a dual 2, so I'll wire it down and I'll have it at 1 ohm. Also today, the T-Spec kit, a must have. I have it open up this time. Comes with awesome RCAs, great fuse holder, remote wire, awesome remote wire. And I also have some 4-channel T-Spec RCAs, which we also sell at Soundsource. And this is the kit. Wow, really wholesome wattage. Only thing this doesn't have, which I wish T-Spec would go back to it, it doesn't come with speaker wire. No, T-Spec, please put speaker wire in your amp case. Thank you. Other than that, what I'll do is when I get done with it, go ahead and install everything today. I'll shoot another video and let you see how it turns out. Thank you.